BSBOard.com.
Next is question number 6 from exercise 6.2. Question number 6. The question is, in the figure, A, B and C are points on OP, OQ and OR respectively such that AB parallel PQ. AB is parallel to PQ. AC parallel to PR. AC parallel to PR. And we have to show that BC parallel QR. Show that BC is parallel to QR. The figure is here it is PQR and here it is ABC triangle, A, B and C. This is the point O. Now it is given AB parallel PQ. AB is parallel to PQ and AC is parallel to PR. AC is parallel to PR. We have to show that BC is parallel to QR. We are considering triangle POQ. In triangle POQ, in triangle POQ, in triangle POQ, AB is parallel to PQ. AB is parallel to PQ. It is given. Therefore, by BPT, basic proportionality theorem, we have OA by AP is equal to OB by BQ. OA by AP. OA by AP is equal to OB by BQ. OB by BQ. We are naming it as equation number 1. Now we are considering triangle POR. In triangle POR, AC is parallel to PR. It is given. Therefore, again by basic proportionality theorem, we have OA by AP is equal to OA by AP is equal to OC by CR. OC by CR. Naming it as equation number 2. From equation number 1 and 2, if we equate the LHS and RHS, the LHS are equal. Therefore, RHS are also must be equal. From equations 1 and 2. From equations 1 and 2, equating LHS and RHS, we get OB by BQ. OB by BQ is equal to OC by CR. OC by CR. That is for triangle OQR. That is for triangle OQR by converse of BPT. By converse of basic proportionality theorem, the ratio of the sides are equal. The ratio of two sides are equal. Therefore, BC is parallel to QR. Therefore, BC is parallel to QR by converse of BPT. This is the result which we have to prove. Thus, we obtained the result. Hence, proved. Here also we are adopting the method of basic proportionality theorem. First of all, we are considering triangle POQ and it is given that AB is parallel to PQ. From that, we are getting the ratio OA by AP is equal to OB by BQ. We are naming it as equation number 1. Next, we are considering triangle POR. It is given that AC is parallel to PR. It is given in the question. Again, we are applying BPT, basic proportionality theorem. We are getting the next ratio as OA by AP is equal to OC by CR. That means the LHS of equation number 1 and 2 are equal. Therefore, the RHS also must be equal. RHS are also must be equal. That is, from 1 and 2, we are obtaining the result OB by BQ is equal to OC by CR. OB by BQ is equal to OC by CR. Then we are taking the converse of BPT. We will obtain the result that if OB by BQ is equal to OC by CR, that means the ratio of the two sides are equal, then the BC, line segment BC will be parallel to QR. By converse of BPT, we are obtaining the result that BC parallel to QR, hence proved the result. Okay.